Welcome to the demo video on how our attendance sheet works. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please try to subscribe, and after that, make sure you press on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime that we upload a new video. Very good. So this is the interface that we are using. This time we are not using VBA. We are not using any coding. So as you can see that everything that we have done is based on some little functions that we have put together. Alright, in the first place we can add employee details, and then the employee details, the moment we add, the total employees that we have in our database or in our company is being recorded here. So now we have no employee, and the number of employees present too, we have nothing because nothing is recorded. Also, we have no number of absentees, and then no number of half days. And look at this. We have created this in such a way that when we have a week off, it should be highlighted in this way. So look at this. We can choose to select none. So there will be no week off for this particular week, and then this one to none. So it means that all the weeks that we have, we are going to make sure that all of them, everybody is present. But if the company chooses that maybe Friday is a holiday or Friday is a week off, every day that falls on Friday will be highlighted. You see, so all Fridays, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, all of them will be highlighted. And if we have two offs in the particular week, all the days will also be highlighted. So assuming that Wednesday too is a holiday or is a week off, so let me select. So I've selected Friday and Wednesday. You can see that all Fridays and all Wednesdays have been highlighted. So you see, we have Wednesday here. So there is no Wednesday that is not highlighted. Very good. So for the meantime, let me just select none for week of 1, and then the week of 2 too, let me select none. Very good. Now I want to add an employee to the database. Maybe I have an employee that I have to add. So let me go straight away. I will click on the add, and the moment I click on the add, I will have a user form that will just input my data. So add, and then it has been customized in such a way that the first person, assume the first employee ID, and is to follow that suit. So let me just enter something. So Venice Frimpong, and the designation is just a worker. Okay, here we'll be dealing with managers and workers as well. So I'll just add. Very good. So record added successfully. You see, so you can see that I have the first person, and then the total employees, I have 1. Let me add another one. James Sado. Okay. And then designation, maybe he's a manager, or okay, designation manager. Very good. So you can see that we have the total employees that we have are 2, and then finally we can just search and update. I can search for the first person, and then let me search. So Benis Frimpong, maybe I'm promoting Benis Frimpong from a worker to supervisor. So I'll have to update. So the moment I press on update, the record is updated. And you can see. So she's now a supervisor. You can monitor from here. Very good. So let me deal with these 2 employees. Then I want to just mark. You can see I have just created these things here to guide whosoever that is using or manipulating this to know that this present, this is absent, this half day. Okay, so let me this present. Okay, so when the person is present, you see I have one present. The moment one is selected, you see it is counting here for me. And then let me choose another absent. You see they have all been formatted accordingly. The next person, maybe let me choose another present. So the more I choose, when I choose present, you monitor here. So another present, good. So I have two over here. And then another one, let me choose half day. Half day, you see, half day. So you see, I'm using them based on the colors that I have here. Based on the colors that I have here. So ideally, this is how it works. So I can be adding more. I can be adding more. Okay, I can add absent. So you see, the more I keep adding, I will be getting everything right over here. Okay, so when I clear everything, everything goes. And then I can be manipulating the dates. So maybe March, I can choose February, and it will be working for me. So this time I'm not using list boxes, or I'm not using anything like data validation here. I'm using combo boxes. I'm using combo boxes for this. Alright, so please try and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. This particular training is coming your way free of charge, and we are just starting tomorrow. And then please get ready for this. There is a lot of ideas and the in-depth knowledge that you're going to get out of this. Okay, stay connected to NTech Computing Institute for more. Thank you very much, and meet you again.